This is the Wacom Intuos medium Bluetooth drawing tablet. I've been using it for illustration, editing, and some light graphic design, and it's been a really smooth experience. The tablet has a clean, minimal look and feels super lightweight. It connects via Bluetooth, which is great because I don't have to deal with extra cables on my desk, but it also works with USB if I need a direct connection. The surface has just enough texture to give you that paper-like resistance, which I really enjoy when sketching or doing line work. It gives you control without feeling too rough. One thing I find super useful is the set of customizable shortcut buttons on the tablet. I've assigned them to undo, zoom, brush size, and a few other tools I use constantly. It really helps speed up my workflow and keeps my hands off the keyboard most of the time. The pen is battery-free, really light, and super responsive. It picks up pressure really well, so I can go from thin lines to bold strokes naturally, without adjusting anything. And I love that it has customizable buttons. It helps speed up repetitive tasks. I've been using it with both Photoshop and Clip Studio Paint, and it's been fully compatible. No lag, no glitches, just smooth drawing. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable drawing tablet for digital art, photo editing, or even note-taking, the Wacom Intuos Medium has been a solid choice for me. It does exactly what I need, and it's just easy to use.